This AI app can cost around $20 every month. You upload a PDF, ask questions about it, and get a summary without reading the entire document. It sounds useful, but I didn't really want another monthly subscription, so I decided to build a simpler version myself. I'm not trying to copy the entire product. I only want the features I would actually use, and I'm going to build most of it with AI. I'm not trying to recreate the entire paid product. I only want the parts I would personally use. The app needs to upload a PDF, extract as text, generate a short summary, answer questions using the document, and include page references. I'm keeping it as a simple MVP with no login and no payment system. The goal is simple: create a small working alternative without turning it into a massive project. I'm starting by describing the complete PDF workflow to an AI coding assistant. I want a simple local web app with an upload area, a summary section, and a place for asking questions. When a PDF is uploaded, the app should extract the text while preserving the original page numbers. I'm asking the assistant to create the basic project and connect these parts together. Once the files are ready, I launch the project and open the first version of the interface. The basic application is ready, so now I'm focusing on the PDF processing. The app needs more than just the raw text. It also needs to remember which page every section comes from. This makes it possible to connect future answers to the original document. I'm processing each page separately and storing the page number together with its text. Now, when I upload a document, the app displays the file name and the total number of processed pages. The final core feature is asking questions about the document. Instead of sending the entire PDF with every question, the app searches for the most relevant sections first. Those sections are then used to generate a focused answer. The model should only use information found inside the uploaded file. Every factual answer should also include the page where the information appears. If the PDF doesn't contain enough information, the app should say that clearly instead of using general knowledge. I'm going to test it with 2 questions from the report. The complete PDF workflow is now ready. I'm uploading a different document to test everything from the beginning. The app processes the PDF and shows the total number of pages. Then I generate a structured summary of the document. Next, I ask a specific question and receive an answer with a page reference. I can open that page and check the information inside the original PDF. That means PDF uploads, text extraction, summaries, document questions, and page references are all working inside one simple interface. So, does this completely replace a $20 monthly PDF application? Probably not for everyone. The paid product is more polished and requires no technical setup, but my version includes the PDF features I personally need. It can process a document, generate a useful summary, answer questions, and show where the information comes from. The project is intentionally simple, but that is also what makes it useful. Instead of rebuilding an entire platform, I'm creating one focused tool for working with PDF files.